Gre za zgodbo 3 pogumnih popotnikov.
Nekega dne najdejo zemljevid.
And this map takes them to a great adventure.
Gre v bistvu za preplet pantomime, klovnovske igre, situacijske komike in pa uličnega gledališča, kar pa neka direktna komunikacija v predstavi pa je v bistvu ta klovnovska igra, ker pač ni četrte stene, ampak zelo široko komuniciramo z svojimi gledalci. Smo se našli v Firencah na šoli fizičnega gledališča in v bistvu že 2 leti oziroma leto pa pol obstajamo skupaj in delamo bolj ali manj na tej predstavi.
I am not a magician, they are not a singers, and we have problems for that question. We have the machine, and we wanna go, but always is with mistakes and with a lot of problems. But the attraction is like the people feel they can do it, why not? In Ljubljana is a big city, but the people is really close to. It's like Maribor, but we have more audience here. But the people is the same. You are the same than your friend from Maribor, but you are in big city. Hello, I am Julian Gonzalez. I come from Barcelona, from Catalonia, and this is our show, The Incredible Box.